Every day I used to come here with Sandra, and we would watch the trains go by together. Then all of a sudden it ended. I don't know why. She just didn't want to make it anymore. So every day I come here by myself and watch the trains go by through Brigg Station. Yes, I remember. We would stand here together and her hair would blow in the wind. Then she would smile and turn her head towards the bench. The bench. We would walk together towards the bench. Always that bench. I can just picture her sitting there. We always sat here after watching the first trains go by. While we were waiting for the next train, we would sit and talk and wonder and dream. Over to the bridge. I remember the way we used to walk together until we reached the steps. Then slowly we would climb the steps, higher and higher, until at last we were at the top. Here we would wait for the next train. Sandra used to love it up here. She used to like the long trains. They gave her an added thrill. We particularly liked this place, so we often stayed to watch two trains. I can remember some of the good times we had up there. Then we would go to the other side of the track. From here we'd watch the last train go by. Oh, I wish we could be together again. In my eyes she was everything, and one day she will return. Every day I come in hope of this. I watch the trains go by, alone, just as we used to do together. God, I can't contain my feelings any longer. I want Sandra. Sandra, come back. But it's no good today. But one day she will return, and I'll be here, waiting.